guys, my name is Ian Feng and today I'm gonna publish my first ever paper airplane video tutorial on thecraziestpaperairplane.com. Today I'll be teaching you how to fold F11D, which is just such an aerodynamic paper airplane as you look here. So look at this plane. It has two fins and a large fin on top, which is just so cool. And it actually locks in this three-dimensional shape. This plane can fly quite well in the air, which it can fly over several meters, and it's really quite good for a jet like this. So without further ado, I will be teaching you how to fold this paper airplane. All you need in order to fold this plane is a A4 sheet of paper, and you want to start by folding this edge to this edge, like so. Accuracy is important for this plane, so you must make sure that your creases are accurate. So now you like to open your paper like so. So you want to flip this paper over, then you want to fold this edge to the bottom edge. I like this paper to be facing me so that I can make sure that this is accurate. But it doesn't matter which side you face. So now you want to open your piece like so. You want to fold this top edge to that center crease you have just made. Make sure you align your creases properly. So now you will actually want to make a reference point. So now you want to fold up to the center crease. Then you want to make a pinch over here. Just a little pinch, don't make a full crease, like so. And now you can see this crease over here. We will need that later. So now you want to flip this paper over again, and you want to fold this edge to the center crease. Make sure your creases are accurate. And then you want to do the same thing for the other side. Fold your crease to the center crease. Like so. And you want to open this layers and flip it back into this orientation. So now you want to take this edge and fold it onto the center crease. So you want to create this triangle, which most people do for folding paper airplanes. So if you have folded paper airplanes before, you should be familiar with this step. So now you repeat the same thing on the other side. So make sure you fold it to the center, make sure your creases are precise. And now you want to fold this onto the center crease. And your creases should stick out a bit, but that's fine, that's what we want, like so. You want to do the same thing for the other side. So you actually want to fold it into half and match the creases together. Make sure both creases are same. Oops, sorry. And now you want to open up into this orientation again. And now you can flip your paper over, and you should see this little crease. There's creases over here, and you actually want to fold on them like so. The same thing on the other side, fold on them. So now you want to do one flap first. So this is a bit difficult. You want to make sure your flap stand first. Then you want to stick your tongue into it. And you want to push this layer down and flatten it. So how would you? So you want to flip this over first. And as you can see, there should be this crease over here, this line over here, and sorry for blocking. And you want to actually shift your crease to that line and do the same like so. Then you want to flatten these layers. And now you want to do the same thing on the other side. Stand this flap out, put your tongue into it, and squash it down. So we want to flip it to the other side. See this crease over here. Land your flap on the crease and crease on both sides. So if you're good with these creases, it's all fine. We have conquered one of the hardest steps in this plane. So now you actually want to fold this. You want to reverse this crease, which is a mountain crease, to a valley fold. So you want to fold it on that crease and do the same thing, like so. And now you can actually flip it over and fold it into half like this, like so. So you want to reverse this center crease too. And now what you want to do is you want to start your crease from over here, from this point, and just pull this layer, this whole flap, like so, and make sure this somewhere over here touches where your fin intersects. Touches this part of your fin, like so. Make sure your crease begins over here from the reference point we made it in the first few steps, like so. And now you actually want to make an inside reverse fold. So what you can do is to remake your creases. So you can see this point over here. You actually want to fold them, make sure your layers land like right over here, like so. And you actually want to reverse. You want to do the same thing for the other side, like this. So you can see your plane's almost done. It's in shape already. And now you actually want to make the wings. So you want to fold from this flap to over here. And you actually want to leave a bit of gap from over here so that your layers wouldn't tear. So you want to leave like 1 millimeter or something close to there, like so. And you want to repeat the step on the other side, matching your layers. And now you actually want to open this crease like so. And you're gonna make quite a difficult crease if you are quite a difficult fold if you are just a beginner in paper airplane. But this step can be conquered. So now you actually want to fold this layer, stand it out. Okay, so we can ignore this large fin. So you can fold it to one side like so, and you want to stand it out by folding it to the left too, folding it to your right, or either side will be fine. So and now having your crease to stand up, you actually want to make a squash fold. So you want to squash all these layers down. Squash using your tongue. You can let it in and use your index fingers and all your other fingers to help you flatten this crease. And to make this crease precise, you actually want to flip it to the other side. And as you can see, you can land this creases on your center crease, like so. Should be a center crease over here. And now after this step, you're almost done with the plane. So you can see you can stand this large fin up. And now what you want to do is to reverse this crease over here so that you want to valley fold it like so. Now you want to lock this plane by folding it to, okay, so if you want to fold it to your left like so, you can, but I'm just gonna fold to my right. So so what you can do is to start this crease from over here. So okay, sorry, you want to actually fold this crease to this point over here where your squash fold starts. So you want to fold it to that point. There, right. So you want to crease it hard as this layer is thick. So I think you want to leave a little bit of gap so that it wouldn't be like not so accurate. So now you want to tuck your crease, fold it into this layer like so, then under this layer so that it helps to lock this plate. And now you can stand all your fins up like so, and you have a done paper. You have a finished F11D. So when you fly this plane, you can actually hold on to this bottom part of this plane like so, and just throw it in front. So if your plane is diving down as this plane is a bit nose heavy, you can add a bit of up elevators behind this layer, and you can throw it quite hard. But don't wet this plane, as if you wet this plane wouldn't be anything good. It'll only fly like 2 meters. Yeah, it wouldn't be good. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and you can learn other paper airplanes that I wouldn't publish on the channel. So only subscribers can learn that kind of paper airplanes. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time.